Why does your scanner show the P229E engine code? What does it mean? P229E is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx Sensor Circuit Bank 1 Sensor 2. It indicates an issue with the NOx Sensor Circuit in Bank 2 of a vehicle's engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel pressure regulator, fuel system issues, electrical problems, environmental factors, PCM, ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in Ford, BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.